Hello everyone, my name is Cadet Major Victor Barbosa and I'm originally from Minas Gerais, Brazil. And today I'm going to be here to talk about a little bit about my experience here at NMMI. Well, NMMI have impacted my life through many ways, but specifically through leadership, by teaching me what is organizational leadership. Since my day one here in my recruit week, I could learn how to be in a squad, how to learn about myself, to lead people, and to become a leader. And because of all that experience, that helped me to create my own nonprofit in Brazil called NEA that aims to help students to achieve medals in Science Olympiads and even to apply to college in the US or other countries. And I'm very grateful for everything that NMMI have helped me with, and specifically to help me to secure a spot in a top 20 school. And I hope you can be part of this family called NMMI.